Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Bluey. So first let's get started on the left hand side by drawing in a nice big oval on a diagonal. And then moving down on the right hand side, we're going to draw in another oval. Now let's draw in the nose. So in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then from the side, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. From here for the mouth, we're going to curve this line up and then back in towards the side. For the teeth now, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes in. We'll do the same thing in the middle. And then again, one more time, we're going to curve this line over and then up. In the center of this now, we're going to arch this line down in the corner. And then for the tongue, we're going to curve this line back down and in towards the bottom. Underneath this, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line around, in, and then back up towards our left eye. On the inside now, we're going to continue to curve this line down, across, and then back in on the bottom. Let's draw in the nose in the center now. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then underneath, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line, closing that off. And then in the center, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for the highlight. Now let's draw in our right eye. So coming across, we're going to curve this line around and then back in on the side. And then coming up above our nose here, we're going to draw in another oval in the middle, curving this line around and then down. Now let's draw in the eyebrows. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line across. And then we'll leave a gap doing the same thing over on the left. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back in on the right hand side. And then again, we'll replicate this on the left hand side, curving this line around and then back in. Now let's close off the top of the head by drawing in a curved line from left to right. On the right hand side now, we're going to continue to curve this line around and then in, extending that past our mouth. On the left hand side now, we're going to draw in our arms. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. And now we'll move down, replicating that across. For the thumb now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then down. From that point, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in. In the center, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches down. And then underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's close off the rest of the head and the body. So on the left-hand side now, we're going to arch this line around and then down towards our arm. And then we're going to come across on a diagonal, extending this line up. Moving over on the inside now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then coming underneath, we're just going to continue to stretch that over towards the side. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line down towards the top of our eye. And then again, we're going to curve this over and out. Now let's draw in the ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line out and then down on the side. And then moving over on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up and then back down. On the inside again, we're going to curve this line up and then in. And then to the left of that, we're going to replicate that again. Now from here, we're going to draw in the diaper. So on the left-hand side, we're going to extend this line around and then back in. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the right-hand side, curving this line around and then down, ending this on a diagonal. On the top now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes all the way across from corner to corner. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then on the top, we'll replicate that again, ending that at the same height. Now from here on the side, we're going to curve this line over and up. And then we're going to move over on the left, replicating that again. In the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll do the same thing on the left-hand side as well. Now from here on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out for the arm. Dropping underneath, let's replicate that, ending that at the same distance. For the thumb on the top, we're going to curve this line down. For the first finger, we're going to replicate that again. Moving in towards the middle, we're going to curve this line down. And then one more time as we come underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Now from here in the center, we're going to arch this line in. And then we're going to curve this line across from the top. Now let's move underneath in the diaper, and we're going to draw in a nice big curved line from left to right. On the inside, on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down. On the side, we're going to draw in another straight line that comes down, just making that smaller. On the bottom now, we're going to curve this line over. And then from that point on the top, we're just going to again curve this line down. Now on the inside, we're going to draw in two curved lines that arch over for the toes. And then on the top, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes across. Let's step further over on the left-hand side now. We're going to curve this line down. Moving over on the inside, let's replicate that, ending it at the same height. Now on both sides, we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. On the inside now, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll replicate that on the left-hand side. Moving across, we're going to draw in a diagonal line. And then in the middle, to close off the rest of the diaper, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw baby Bluey. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.